Attention business owners and marketers. Are you someone who vigorously thinks of working smart, just like a robot? Then there is a one-stop solution that will clear every question of yours. Who wants to spend hours writing and documenting everything for business? Who wants to face difficulty in finding the right tone for their text to convey their message to the audience? Who finds it easy to brainstorm ideas for the betterment of business? Well, the good news is that all your worries have come to an end. This product is the ultimate solution for all your problems. Introducing ChatGPT Expertise. ChatGPT Expertise is a comprehensive guide covering all the different and significant aspects, such as understanding ChatGPT and everything you may doubt about ChatGPT. The upgraded version of high-definition HD training video bundle. Get 15 videos packed with the most incredible information to become an expert in unlocking the power of language ChatGPT. This remarkable, top-of-the-line product is an incredible bargain that will help you to move beyond your comfort zone and thrive in a rapidly changing world, empowering you to reach your ambitions and attain success. The upgrade version of ChatGPT will teach you how to acquire knowledge about the foundation of ChatGPT. What are the drawbacks, limitations of ChatGPT? Is ChatGPT capable of generating pictures? How can ChatGPT contribute to digital marketing? Is ChatGPT beneficial for business people? What are the various uses of chatbots in daily life? Gain the ability to transform how people connect with machines and unlock the possibility of crafting more realistic and stimulating user experiences. This impressive product offers a comprehensive, well-researched, step-by-step video tutorial to teach all you need. Don't hesitate, get it now. Dear customers, we heartily appreciate your funding. You have made a high-yielding investment. Enrich your understanding with our fabulous, high-definition video bundle, ChatGPT. Do you want to create customer experiences, do marketing campaigns, reply to customer support, and more? Here we have the deep-dive solution for your problems. In this, you will discover how to be an effective business person, utilizing techniques that will save you time and maximize your productivity. You will learn techniques that will help you work smarter and more efficiently. Just look at the advantages of selecting this product. It will provide answers to your frequently asked questions. It will help you to automate customer service. It will provide conversational AI for chatbots. It will generate content for your websites and social media platform. It will generate natural language summaries of your documents, web pages, and more. No one has much time in this fast-pacing world. Everyone likes to work smart, just like a robot. Hence, our product is of best use to all. It's like one medicine for 1,000 ailments. Presenting ChatGPT Expertise. Access the information, make decisions, and communicate to people. It will help you cite sources and place them in the right place. It has the potential to quickly reformat whatever you want in seconds. It can help you with a lot of things. In fact, it can help you to create a presentation outline and content quickly, with minimal effort. And not this, we are providing you with 3 exclusive bonuses. That is Mind Map, Cheat Sheet, Top Resource Report. This amazing guide will cover certain topics like: how does ChatGPT work? What is OpenAI? How would ChatGPT be beneficial for people in business? What is it about a chance to win $500 credits? Creative ways to use ChatGPT. What will be the ideal role of ChatGPT in the future, and so much more. Also, here are some facts and figures that you must know. ChatGPT was made available for public testing on November 30, 2022. ChatGPT has broken all the records and has crossed 1 million users within 1 week of its launch. ChatGPT owner OpenAI predict that they will likely be able to generate a revenue of $1 billion by the end of the year 2024. OpenAI received $1 billion from Microsoft. Microsoft Azure supports OpenAI and provides them with the computational power required for running ChatGPT. Download this fantastic product to understand the popularity of this hot tech chatbot ChatGPT and how it can benefit your business. Every setup is done for you and suits your needs. You just need to purchase the product at such a low price, download the content, and get started now.